Hello my viewers, I'm your host Gurinder Singh, and in this video I'm gonna share with you an incredible news. Guys, the news is that from today onwards I am taking 15-day challenge of improving English of one of my students. And from today onwards only I will be taking his interview, and you will notice that how a student improved from 5 band to 6.5 or above. Okay, just in 15 days how he will improve, you will see in just 15 days. Yes, and from now onwards I am going to take his regular speaking in front of you and will guide him that how he can give the correct answers. And by that I guess that you all will get a lot of benefits, and by that you can improve your speaking as well, because it's obvious that it's just not important that you only make mistake and learn from that. You can also learn from the mistakes of others. Okay, so now guys, if you are new on my channel, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get the updates whenever I will upload my new video. And if you are my subscriber, you are welcome over here. So now let's start with the interview. What's your name?
My name is Satdeep Singh.
And how may I address you?
Please call me Satdeep.
Satdeep, are you working or are you a student?
I am a student and recently completed my senior secondary education from Pulsey Public School, Batinda.
Why do you want to go abroad?
I think that abroad have a high opportunities as compared to my hometown in every sector of employment, in employment, and better lifestyle as compared to my country. I think that I want to migrate from our Batinda city to Canada.
Okay. Our Batinda city नहीं कहना, Batinda. From my town कैसा?
From my town.
ठीक है. Are you interested in sports?
Yes, I'm interested in sports, mainly athletics, like 400 meter race, 200 meters, and some track and field, both field like long jump, high jumps, and these type of activities.
Do most people in your country like sports?
Yes, in my country, approximately 50% people are like the sports, because some people know that how to improve their health. It is very helpful to enhance the health, also help to improve the boost the immune system, as well as protect you from the diseases which is
okay. Improve the boost the नहीं कहना है, improve the boost the होना इन्हों आप answer normally कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, question सीगा. Do most people in your country like sports? Actually, it depends on personal choice. Some people are fascinated towards sports like cricket, hockey, volleyball, and so on. However, there are some other kind of people who are interested in other activities. For example, they love to go on a trip, they love to spend time with their families. Moreover, some people are interested in reading books. ठीक है? Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping. In twice a month, I do shopping of domestic items.
What kind of items do you buy?
I mainly domestic items like sugar, and these are domestic items which are daily use in household items.
Which is a daily use, which are daily use.
Which are of daily use.
ठीक है. Do you compare prices when you shop?
Yes, I compare the prices when I buy any type of things. Mainly, it totally depends on quality of product. If the best quality, I don't compromise the price is high or less.
Okay, in what actually it depends. For example, if I am getting the best quality at the same price or at low price, then definitely I would love to buy at low. But I do not like to compromise on quality.
Don't compromise on quality.
Okay. Okay. Do you like to read newspaper?
Yes, I like to read newspaper. Through newspaper, I enhance my knowledge in the political field, economic field, and I also entertainment. Also best source of entertainment.
I also best source of
newspaper is
entertainment.
Sorry,
newspaper is the best source of entertainment. ठीक है. Do you like to read newspaper or magazine? I actually prefer newspaper because it is available readily, and even I think that it's a best source of entertainment because there are a lot of things available in one newspaper. ठीक है? Do you prefer to read news online or on a printed newspaper?
Generally, I prefer to read printed sources of newspaper because I think that in phone screen time is increased. That's why eyesight problem is problem enhanced to the human body. That's why I only prefer to the printed newspaper.
ठीक है? Human body है ना? Human body. ठीक है? Have you ever been to museum to learn history?
And in my whole life, I go to museum for one time, not for the learning history, but only for entertainment purpose as a recreational trip.
Okay, go to नहीं सीखा ना, अपन कहना सीखा. Actually, I went to the museum for just one time. ठीक है, फिर दसांगे भी कदों गए सीखे. ठीक है. Do you think history is important?
Yes, I think history is very important for us to know about the past knowledge about our kings, and also past lifestyle of the peoples, how they spend their life.
Peoples नहीं है ना, ठीक है. Do you think history is important? पहले तो पता ना क्वेश्चन पूछा डायरेक्ट ओनू आंसर करना. Do you think history is important? Yes, no, yeah. Definitely, ठीक है, वो different words use किए जा सकते हैं. Do you think history is important? Definitely, it's really important. या अब important ही था word use किया जा सकता है significant. Yes, definitely, it's significant for each and every person because by that we can know about the mistakes which were done by our ancestors and we can overcome them.
Okay.
When was last time you read a book about history?
I read the history book last time in class +2. I recently completed my class +2, in which I read the ancient history, modern history, and as well as medieval time history.
बार history नहीं कहना है. Okay, अब क्या चाहते हैं अभी? It actually recently I have passed my +2 and in my school times only I have read historical books like medieval, past, and modern. Now your cue card is talk about a toy you liked in your childhood, and you have 1 minute to prepare for it. You can start now.
I had many toys in my childhood, but here I would like to talk about any toy. I would like to talk about any toy. It is an electronic car. My father gifted to me on 11th birthday. It is a electronic car. Which is working, which have a very unique features like they run on 4 pencil cells, as well as another features like any type of obstacle come in front of the electronic car, they change their direction. At that time they change their direction. Also are reflecting headlights, which is a very attractive feature of the electronic car. But in this it is a very best gift for me, which is given to me by my father at 11th birthday. At that time I am a single child who have electronic car. At that time I play more than 2 or 3 hours in a day with car. None of my childhood friends have a electronic car at that time. Also every child my friend feel jealous. I see a jealous on the eyes of on the friends. This gift is very helpful to enhance my.
Okay. सीरी ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਾਫੀ ਮਿਸਟੇਕਸ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ. ਟਾਈਮ ਕਵਰ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਬਟ ਪੌਜ਼ਸ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸੀਗੇ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. ਟਾਕਡ ਅਬਾਊਟ कहता बर्थडे नहीं कहना, बर्थडे कहना, बर्थडे. Okay. ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨਿਕ ਕਾਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ, ਐਨ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨਿਕ ਕਾਰ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਸੀਗਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀਗਾ, ਇਟ ਰਨ ਔਨ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਇਟ ਰਨ ਬਾਈ ਅ ਬੈਟਰੀ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ। I am a single child ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ, I was only child who was having this kind of car, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਓਵਰਆਲ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਜਾਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਗ੍ਰਾਮੈਟੀਕਲ ਮਿਸਟੇਕਸ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ, ਪ੍ਰੋਨਾਂਸੀਏਸ਼ਨ ਥੋੜ੍ਹੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਮਿਸਟੇਕਸ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ, ਕਿਤੇ ਨਾ ਕਿਤੇ ਗ੍ਰਾਮੈਟੀਕਲ ਮਿਸਟੇਕਸ ਕਾਫੀ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਅਤੇ ਫਲੂਐਂਸੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸੀਗੀ, ਫਲੂਐਂਸੀ ਪੋਜ਼ਸ ਸੀਗੇ, ਕਾਫੀ ਪੋਜ਼ਸ ਸੀਗੇ। ਕੋਹੈਜ਼ਨ, ਕੋਹਰੈਂਸ, ਔਰਗੇਨਾਈਜ਼ਡ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿਊ ਕਾਰਡ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਵੋਕੈਬਲਰੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਯੂਜ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤੀ, ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਲਿੰਕਿੰਗ ਵਰਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕੀਤਾ, ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਕੁਛ ਵੀ ਹੋਰ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ। ਪ੍ਰੋਨਾਂਸੀਏਸ਼ਨ ਓਵਰਆਲ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਨਾਓ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਫੋਲੋਅਪਸ ਦੀ ਕੀ ਬਣਦਾ। ਓਕੇ, what is difference between girls and boys toys?
In traditionally, there are lots of difference between the girls and boys toys. Generally prefer like utensils as well as Barbie dolls. But if we talk about the boys are prefer like guns, tractors, cars, and these type of gifts.
Boys are prefer नहीं, boys prefer ਕੱਲਾ ਹੋਊਗਾ,
boys prefer,
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਇਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ what is the difference between girls and boys toys? Actually I think that there is a lot of difference between the preferences of boys and girls. For example, generally boys love to buy the toys like electronic cars or guns, whereas the girls like to buy the different kind of Barbies and their homes. Does modern technology have an influence on children's toys?
Absolutely. Modern technology have influence on the childhood. It helps to improve the strength of the children. If any children play more than 2 or 3 hours on ground by the tractor or toy, it definitely help to enhance the strength of the children.
Any ਦੇ ਨਾਲ plural ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਣਾ, any ਦੇ ਨਾਲ singular ਲੱਗੋ, any children ਨਹੀਂ, any child, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। Does modern technology have an influence on children ਨਹੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ ਮੈਂ, on children's toys ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। Definitely there is a lot of influence, there is a lot of impact ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, there is a lot of impact on children's toys. For example, we can see nowadays there are a different kind of gadgets available for children. For example, the pianos and keyboards, and nowadays they have advanced technology of electronic cars, and even they can play video games and PlayStations, ठीक है। Overall speaking ਆਪਾਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਜਾਵੇ ਤਾਂ pronunciation ਠੀਕ ਆ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਕਿਤੇ ਬਟ pronunciation ਤੇਰਾ ਪਲੱਸ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਆ ਵੀ, ਬਾਕੀ ਠੀਕ ਆ ਆਲਮੋਸਟ। ਬਹੁਤ ਤੇਜ਼ ਬੋਲਣਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਤੇਜ਼ ਬੋਲਣ ਨਾਲ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵਰਡਸ ਦੀ ਕਲੈਰਿਟੀ ਘੱਟ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਆ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਲਈ ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚੋਂ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਲੈਕ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਨਾਂਸੀਏਸ਼ਨ 'ਚੋਂ। ਗ੍ਰਾਮੈਟੀਕਲ ਮਿਸਟੇਕਸ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਕਾਫੀ ਨੇ। ਫਲੂਐਂਸੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਵੀਕ ਆ, ਪੌਜ਼ਸ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਪੌਜ਼ਸ ਨੇ। ਦੀ ਸਾਊਂਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈਗਾ, ਦੀ ਸਾਊਂਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ, ਬਟ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਾਫੀ ਥਾਂ 'ਤੇ ਰੁਕ ਕੇ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਕੋਹੈਜ਼ਨ, ਕੋਹਰੈਂਸ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਲੈਰਿਟੀ ਆਈਡੀਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, ਯਾਨੀ ਕਿ ਔਰਗੇਨਾਈਜ਼ਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆਨਸਰਸ। ਔਰਗੇਨਾਈਜ਼ਡ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ? ਔਰਗੇਨਾਈਜ਼ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਬਾਈ ਯੂਜ਼ਿੰਗ ਲਿੰਕਿੰਗ ਵਰਡਸ। ਫੋਰ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ, ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ what toys are popular with kids in India today? Actually there are a lot of toys, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। Actually honestly I don't know, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਬਾਰੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟਲੀ ਉਹ ਦੱਸ ਦੇਣੀ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਬਾਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਵੀ actually yeah honestly I do not have much knowledge about it, but I guess nowadays children love to play with PlayStations and mobile phone games. Like recently I have heard that PUBG was really famous among the Indians, ठीक है। So overall ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਆ ਹਲੇ 5 ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਦੀ ਆ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਫਿਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਇੰਪਰੂਵ ਹੋਣਾ ਸਟੈਪ ਬਾਏ ਸਟੈਪ।
ਓਕੇ ਸਰ।